Well, Spotify is a growing music app that allows you to listen to songs. And you can even change the streaming quality of the songs. But if you don't know how to, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that on how you can change the streaming quality of songs on Spotify. So this is a very easy process. To do that, first open Spotify app and then go to the profile and then go to your profile. Click on the top left button and then click on settings and privacy. And then you will see an interface like this. What you have to do is scroll down a bit and there you will find media quality. Simply click on it and here you can change the streaming quality from automatic to low to normal to high or very high. To use the very high option you have to get the premium, but you can go up to high if you don't have the premium option. If you want to save your cellular data or keep your song or keep your mobile charge for a longer amount of time, you can keep it on the low. But if you don't give a shit about your cellular data and want to get the best quality of the sound, then select the high option. So this is it on how you can change the streaming quality on Spotify. So if you found this video helpful, do make sure to like and subscribe.